Welcome to our first review for Unit 6 for Grade 7 using maps. Well, here's we're going to start with the vocabulary, so please listen to the given vocabulary.
Road signs and satellite map. DAO. Shelf/shelves. Peninsula.
To knock means to hit someone or something. In charge of means responsible for. Astronaut means a man that traveled to space. To browse means to have a look on something. Expedition means exploration journey.
Alright, that's all about the given words. Now it's time for grammar. And Alright, the first rule here is we are going to study the three types of comparison. The first one, using the short adjective by adding the er. Here we have the first example, big. This animal is bigger than my house. Adding the word much will make the sentence stronger than before. The second example say, this animal is much bigger than my house. So what is the difference between the first and the second example? The first one is a normal comparison, but the second one is a stronger one. Going to using long adjective to compare between two persons or two things, we're going to use the prefix more. And this is the example using the adjective expensive. We're going to say the car is more expensive than the laptop. In the second, also we are going to use also the word much, and this word will add or make the sentence stronger than before. Look into this example, the car is much more expensive than the laptop. The difference between the first and the second one is that the first sentence is normal one and the second sentence is stronger than the first. The third type of comparison is using this form as adjective as, and using this part showing that the similarity between two persons or two things. First of all, here we have a picture showing that there are two persons and both persons are having the same tall or the same height. So we're going to say this man is as tall as me. Completing the rule, we're having no as, adjective as. But in this way we are going to show the differences between two things and two persons. In the beginning we have also the picture that shows that two persons, one is tall and the other is short. So now we are going to say this man is not as tall as me. Grammatical rule that we'll discuss inshallah now is using the conjunction while. In fact, while is preceded by the verb plus ed and followed by the past continuous. Here the form. First of all, while can be followed by was, were and the verb plus ing, and we call this tense the past continuous tense, and preceded by the verb plus ed or the second tense of the verb, and we call this tense the past simple tense. And here the example, we say we watched the TV while my mom was preparing the food. So the second rule is when. Here we have another conjunction. So there is a little difference. We are going to begin with was, were and the verb plus ing, and when also followed by verb plus ed or the second tense of the verb. Here the example, my mom was preparing the food when we watched the TV. Going down, by the way, we doesn't have much time to say a lot about this, but actually here we have some practice, so you're going to use these links to practice more and more about these grammatical and these previous words. Thank you so much for watching this video. and see you later. Goodbye.